Good day, everyone. Mr. Cargill here with our next AutoCAD video. Now, in this video, we're going to look at the changes that have been made to the CAPE BMED Unit 1 IA. Now, previously, you would have 6 different drawings, 6 assignments to complete for the IA, but that 6 has changed to 4. So we're going to go through each assignment and look at what is required for each. So let's go. Alright, so for assignment 1, it says that candidates will be expected to produce drawings based on specific objectives 1 and 2 of module 1. Now, what are specific objectives 1 and 2 of module 1? Specific objectives 1 and 2 of module 1 will be here. So the module 1 is geometry 1 or plane geometry. So as specific objectives 1 and 2 are, it says, construct standard engineering curves and determine centroids of plane figures by simple calculations and graphical methods. So you're going to have to do 2 drawings here. You're going to have to do an engineering curve and you're going to have to do a centroid. So even though it's one assignment, it's more than one drawing. Because over here, as it states, it says candidates will be expected to produce drawings with an S, which means more than one. So based on specific objectives 1 and 2 of module 1 and specific objectives 1 and 2 of module 1 says that you're supposed to be able to construct standard engineering curves and determine centroids of plane figures by simple calculations and graphical methods. So that's assignment 1. Now for assignment 2, it says candidates will be expected to produce one drawing based on specific objectives 3 and 4 of module 1. So specific objectives 3 and 4 of module 1. So what are specific objectives 3 and 4 of module 1? Here it says project solids in orthographic projection and use computer aided drafting software to produce drawings. So this is basically saying that you're going to do an orthographic drawing and you're going to do it in AutoCAD. Alright, so assignment 2 is going to be an orthographic drawing. Now, if your school registered for AutoCAD for instead of traditional drawing, which I think is, I'm not sure if computer aided drafting is the only option for CAPE, but yeah, all of the drawings are going to be done in AutoCAD, except for maybe your sketches if your teacher gives you the option to do the sketches on paper and so on. Alright, so for assignment 2, you're going to do an orthographic drawing and it's going to be done in AutoCAD, and that covers specific objectives 3, which states that you should be able to produce an orthographic drawing and that you should be able to use AutoCAD. Alright, so that's assignment 1 and 2 out of the 4 assignments. In terms of the mark scheme, it is out of 120. The SBA is marked out of 120. So in total, so we'll go through that as well. So let's look. So here it says, let me see here first. So I say this is the composition. This is what it is. The entire portfolio is composed of. So it says the drawing portfolio must consist of 4 assignments: 2 assignments from module 1, which I just discussed, assignment from module 2, and 1 assignment from module 3. A complete record of freehand sketches, so you should have the sketches as well. And your final drawing solutions must be submitted in the drawing portfolio. Good. Alright, so then now the next assignment is going to be this assignment right here. Assignment 3. Assignment 3 is worth 40 marks and assignment 4 is also worth 40 marks. And assignment 1 and 2 together is worth 40 marks. 40 marks. So this is worth 20, this is worth 20, this is 40, this is 40, which gives us a total of 120 marks. Alright, so why is assignment 3 worth 40 marks? This is why. It says candidates will be expected to produce one drawing based on any 2 of the following objectives. Again, candidates will be expected to produce one drawing based on any 2 of the following objectives. So it says specific objectives 2, 3, 4, and 5 of module 2. So 2, 3, 4, and 5 of module 2. So let's look at what that entails. So for specific objectives 2, 3, 4, and 5 of module 2, this is module 2 right here, which is geometry 2 or solid geometry. So for 2, 3, 4, and 5, it says project auxiliary views, draw lines of intersection between solids, produce surface developments, and construct helices. Now, for all of these objectives here, 2, 3, 4, and 5, what it's saying is that you're going to do one drawing based on any two of these principles. So for that drawing, you could be asked to do an intersection of solids drawing and then do the surface development for that drawing. You could also be asked to do an intersection of solids drawing and do it in an auxiliary view. So it's going to be a mixture of different drawings. You could do a surface development and then do an auxiliary view for that. Good. So it's a mixture of any two of these objectives. And what drawing you get exactly, of course, will be dependent on what your teacher decides to give you for that question. And for assignment 4, if you're doing building drawing, let's look at building first, then we'll look at mechanical. It says candidates will be expected to produce one drawing based on specific objectives 1, 2, 3, and 4 of module 3B. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 of module 3B. So here, module 3B, module 3B. All right, let's look at module 3B. Let's look at module 3B. So let me just scroll down to module 3. So 3, since we're at 3A, let's look at 3A, which is the mechanical aspect. So for 3A, this is what you're going to do for that module. And this is it only if you're doing mechanical drawing. So candidates will be expected to produce one drawing based on specific objectives 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of modules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of module 3A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of module 3A. So it says prepare detailed freehand sketches, produce working and assembly drawings, prepare drawings with sectional views, prepare detailed drawings, produce dimensional drawings of machine components, and you're going to have your solution to different problems. So this is going to be the entirety of the mechanical aspect of the IA. All right, so what you're going to do is to come up with a problem. Well, your teacher is going to give you the problem. You're going to come up with sketches, you're going to produce working drawings, assembly drawings, detailed drawings, and come up with a solution to the problem that is presented to you by your teacher. And now if you're doing building drawing here, if you're doing building drawing for assignment 4, it says that candidates will be expected to produce one drawing based on specific objectives 1, 2, 3, and 4 of module 3B. And so let's scroll down to module 3B. So this is currently module 3A, which is engineering, and then this is module 3B, which is building. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Produce orthographic and pictorial sketches, prepare drawings with sectional views, produce a complete set of drawings using suitable scales, and prepare utility drawings. All right. So what you're going to have to do for this now is your teacher is going to give you a building problem, all right, and then you're going to design a building based on the problem that is presented. Whatever problem will be presented will be strictly based on your teacher. So you're going to have to do your side plans, your floor plans, foundation plans, roof plans, elevations, sectional elevations, and all that stuff based on what your teacher gives you to come to answer this question. All right, so that's the changes that have been made to the BMED Unit 1 IA. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. We're getting very close to 3,000. And thank you very much for the support, and have yourselves a fantastic day.